Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nadia Islami and my student ID 2001-8135. Okay, today I would like to present my thesis proposal entitled The Effect of Story Grammar Strategy on the Reading Comprehension of Narrative Text at 11th grade student of SMA Negeri 1 Harau. Okay. This study focuses on the improving student reading comprehension, especially in narrative text, through the use of story grammar strategy. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide is this is the outline of my presentation. So I will explain the background of this study, review several related studies, present the research question and objective, explain the methodology, discuss the finding and discussion, and finally conclude the conclude the presentation. Sorry. Okay, next slide is the background. The background of this study is reading is an important English skill. Students have difficulty understanding narrative text. So reading is one of the most important skill in learning English because students need reading comprehension to understand information from the text. Based on my observation and interview at SMA Negeri 1 Harau, many 11th grade students still experience difficulty in understanding narrative text. First, students have difficulty finding the main idea of the text. Second, they often struggle to understand implied information. Third, they find it difficult to understand the sequence of events in a story. In addition, many students still have grammar problems, especially in understanding simple past tense, verb 2, and verb 3, which frequently appear in narrative text. To address this problem, I propose using story grammar strategy because this strategy helps students identify important story elements such as characters, setting, problem, event, and resolution. Okay, next slide is the literature review. Story grammar strategy is a reading strategy that helps students understanding narrative text by identifying important story elements such as character, setting, problem, event, and resolution. Several professed studies support the use of this strategy. First is Hamidah in 2016 found that story grammar strategy helps students understanding narrative text better and conducted NICMA in 2022 also report improvement in student reading comprehension through story grammar strategy. And Widi and Pratama in 2024 found that integrating grammar learning through reading activities improve student grammar mastery. And Musfirah and colleague Musfirah et al. Found that story grammar strategy effectively improves student comprehension of narrative text. Okay, next slide. Okay, based on the problem identified earlier, the researcher question of this study is there a significant effect of using story grammar strategy on student reading comprehension of narrative text at SMA Negeri 1 Harau? And therefore, the objective of this study is to investigate whether story grammar strategy can significantly improve student reading comprehension. Okay, next slide is the methodology. Okay, this study used a quantitative approach with a pre-experimental design. The population consists of all 11 grade students of SMA Negeri 1 Harau. totaling 431 students. The sample will be selected using cluster random sampling because the students are already grouped into classes. To collect the data, I will using multiple choice reading comprehension test. Student will complete a pretest before treatment and a post-test after treatment. The result will then be analyzed to determine whether there is improvement after applying study grammar strategy. Okay, next slide is the finding. Since this is still a proposal, the findings presented here are expected findings. I expect that students will show improvement in identifying main idea, understanding implied information, understanding story structure, and recognizing the sequence of events in narrative text. As a result, student reading comprehension score are expected to increase after the implementation of story grammar strategy. Okay, next slide is a discussion. The reason story grammar strategy is expected to be effective is because it helps students organize information systematically. A student can identify who the character are, where the story takes a place, what problem occur, and how the story ends. This organization helps students understand the relationship between events and improve their overall comprehension. Furthermore, students become more active reader because they focus on identifying important element while reading. Okay, next the last slide is conclusion. In conclusion, many students still have um, difficulty in understanding narrative text, especially in identifying main idea, understanding implied information, and understanding story structure. Story grammar strategy is considered a promising strategy because it guides students to analyze important element of a story. Therefore, this study aims to investigate whether story grammar strategy has a significant effect on student reading comprehension of narrative text at SMA Negeri 1 Harau. Okay, I think that's all of my presentation. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.